Ovary. Ovary is present in a pair and also known as ovaries. These are sex organs in females. They are present in abdomen and they release one ovum per menstrual cycle. Ovary secretes two steroidal hormones known as estrogen and progesterone. Ovary is composed of ovarian follicles plus stromal tissues. These ovarian follicles, when they rupture, they get converted into corpus luteum which secretes progesterone. Progesterone is responsible for the maintenance of pregnancy and is also helpful for formation of alveoli and hence helps in secretion of milk. Estrogen. Estrogen is responsible for the development of female accessory sex organs, secondary sex characters in females, and also responsible for maintaining the sexual behavior in females. Pancreas. Pancreas is a composite gland which can act as both exocrine as well as endocrine gland. In endocrine pancreas, islets of Langerhans is present which further have two types of cells, alpha and beta cells. Alpha cells are responsible for the secretion of hormone known as glucagon and beta cells are responsible for the secretion of insulin. Glucagon is also known as hyperglycemic hormone because it increases the blood sugar level as it is responsible for glycogenolysis, whereas insulin, it increases the glucose uptake from the blood and in target tissues it also helps in glycogenesis. Thus, insulin as well as glucagon jointly helps in maintaining the blood sugar level. If hyperglycemic condition is found for long time, the person is found to be suffering from diabetes mellitus. Adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is present in pair in or on the anterior part of the kidneys. It is composed of adrenal medulla and an outer layer known as adrenal cortex. This adrenal cortex is further divided into three layers: zona reticularis, zona fasciculata, zona glomerulosa. These secretes corticoids. These corticoids are further, depending upon their action, that is if they are responsible in the digestion of carbohydrates, are known as glucocorticoids, and in case if they are responsible in maintaining water electrolyte balance, they are known as mineralocorticoids, and the example of mineralocorticoids is aldosterone. This medulla, it secretes two hormones, adrenaline and non-adrenaline. These are also known as catecholamines as they are responsible in breakdown of glucose fat. These two hormones, adrenaline and non-adrenaline, are the hormones of fear, flight and fight. These are secreted in emergent conditions and they lead to increased heart rate, pupil dilation and increased contraction of heart.